Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to another episode of Wiwi Talk Pod. This is your cozy corner on the internet to learn English through real and meaningful conversations. I am Justin.
And I am Amelia. We are so happy you are here. Today, we are not just practicing grammar. No, today, we are building your future. Before we start, I want you to take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Feel the air in your lungs.
Now, I want you to imagine something very special. Imagine it is December 31st. The very last day of the year 2026. You are in your favorite place. Maybe you are holding a warm cup of coffee or tea. You are looking at the stars or at the city lights.
You feel a deep sense of peace. You think, I did it. This year was different. I didn't just survive, I grew. You remember how, at the beginning of the year, you felt a little bit scared to speak English, but now your voice is steady, your mind is clear.
You understand movies without subtitles. You talk to strangers with confidence. You feel empowered. That is the version of you that lives in 2026. And today, we are going to show you exactly how to create that person. Because the future is not a destination. The future is a construction that starts today.
If you are new here, welcome. Our goal is to help you reach the B2 level in a way that feels natural. We speak slowly, using B1 English, but we also introduce stronger words. We call this stretching your potential. If you like this way of learning, please subscribe and join our global family.
Today, we are talking about the Power Day. What is a Power Day? Many people think they need to change their whole life in 24 hours. They wake up on January 1st and say, I will go to the gym for 2 hours. I will study English for 3 hours. I will eat only vegetables. And what happens? By January 5th, they are exhausted. They quit.
Exactly. That is not a power day. That is a stress day. A power day is quiet. It is simple. It is a day where you are the driver of your life, not the passenger. Let's break it down into small steps.
The most important part of your day is the beginning. How do you wake up? For most people, the alarm rings and they immediately reach for their phone. They scroll through Instagram or read the news, and their brain starts to feel overwhelmed. Too many voices. Too many problems.
Your mind is like a sponge. In the morning, it is thirsty. If you give it stress, it will be stressed all day. In a power day, you protect those first 15 minutes. We call this setting yourself up for success. You prepare the environment.
I have a small habit. I put my phone in another room at night. When I wake up, I don't check messages. Instead, I listen to a calm English podcast like this one, just for 10 minutes, while I make my bed, while I drink water. This aligns my mind with my goals.
Align. That is a beautiful word. It means putting things in the same direction. If your goal is to be fluent in English and your first action is English, you are aligned. You are telling your brain, this is my priority.
Many learners say to me, Justin, I don't have time to study. And I say, you don't need time, you need micro-actions. A micro-action is something so small that it is impossible to fail. For example, reading one single sentence in English. Just one.
Or writing one word in your notebook. If you do one micro-action, your brain feels happy. It thinks, I am a person who studies. This builds your potential. Potential is that hidden treasure inside you. It grows with every small drop of effort.
Think about 2026. If you do 15 minutes every day, in 1 year you will have 90 hours of practice. 90 hours. That is the difference between staying a beginner and becoming an intermediate speaker. It is relentless progress. Relentless means you don't stop. You are like a small river that eventually moves a mountain.
Let's talk about energy leaks. Sometimes we feel tired not because we worked too much, but because we lost our energy in leaks. A leak is a pointless argument on social media. A leak is worrying about what other people think of your accent.
I used to be very afraid of my accent. I thought, people will laugh at me. That thought was an energy leak. It made me feel weak. But in a power day, you get back on track. When a negative thought comes, you say, stop. This is not helping me.
You change the TV channel in your head. Instead of the bully channel, you turn on the coach channel. The coach says, it's okay if your accent is not perfect. You are communicating. You are brave. Keep going. This is how you show up for yourself.
You cannot have a power day if your body is asleep. You don't need to run a marathon, but you need to move. 5 minutes of stretching, a 10-minute walk outside. This increases the oxygen in your brain. It gives you clarity.
And you can combine it. Walk and listen. Jump and repeat. I like to say English sentences while I am walking in the park. I am getting better every day. People look at me and think I am crazy, but I don't care. I am building up my confidence.
Now the day is ending. It is night. Most people feel guilty at night. They think, I didn't do enough today. This is a mistake. A power day ends with a check-in, a kind conversation with yourself.
Ask yourself 3 simple questions. 1. What is one thing I did well today? Maybe you cooked a nice dinner, or you listened to this podcast. 2. What did I learn? Maybe a new word like relentless. 3. How can I set myself up for success tomorrow?
If you do this, you are not just sleeping. You are training your mind to see progress. In the long run, this habit will make you unstoppable. In the long run means when we look at the big picture of your life.
Now let's slow down even more. Let's look at our vocabulary for 2026. These are B2 level words, but we will make them easy. 1. Empowered. This is a feeling. It is when you feel that you have the power to change your situation. You are not a victim. You are a creator. Example, learning to speak English makes me feel empowered.
Align. Imagine a line. To align means to put 2 things together in that line. If you want to be healthy and you eat an apple, your action is aligned with your goal. Example, I want to align my daily habits with my dreams. Potential. This is the possible you.
the you that can speak perfect English. It is already inside you. It just needs practice to come out. Example: don't underestimate your potential.
Relentless. This is a strong word. It describes someone who never gives up, like a rain that never stops until the ground is wet. You are relentless with your 10 minutes of English. Example: she was relentless in her pursuit of fluency.
Set yourself up for success. This means making things easy for future you. If you prepare your clothes at night, you are setting yourself up for success in the morning. Example: I set myself up for success by choosing easy podcasts.
Get back on track. Life is messy. Sometimes we stop practicing. That is okay. The important thing is to get back on track. Return to the path. Example: I missed 2 days, but today I get back on track.
Show up for yourself. This is about love. When you do what you promised to yourself, even if you are tired. Example: today I showed up for myself and studied for 5 minutes.
In the long run. This means eventually. Not today, but in the future. Example: in the long run, small habits create big results.
We are almost at the end of our conversation, but before we go, I want to tell you something very important. You are doing better than you think. English is a journey, not a race.
Yes, some days you will feel empowered, other days you will feel overwhelmed. That is normal. That is being human. The only secret is to keep showing up.
Imagine that person in December 2026 one more time. They are smiling at you. They are saying thank you. Thank you for starting today. Thank you for not giving up.
We believe in you. We are here to support you. If this episode helped you, please share it. Write a comment using one of our new words. We read every single one.
This has been Justin.
And Amelia from Wiwi Talk Pod. Have a beautiful Power Day.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.